Hey guys! Honestly, it's been way too freaking long since my last video, and honestly, life just really got the best of me, and I honestly got tied up with life and was thinking of not necessarily quitting YouTube, but just like, I don't even know. But then I got to my head and I told myself, girl, get out of this little funk that you're in, get your shit together and get back to YouTube. So I'm here with a new YouTube video, and first I'd honestly like to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart, to those that support me, that watch every one of my videos and always give me positive feedback. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that we have finally reached 1,000 subscribers, so I'm super excited, and we are going to start off February on a strong note with a what I eat in a day video. So I'm going to show you everything I eat today, so let's get started with breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having a smoothie. So for my smoothie, you need some spinach. This is about a handful of spinach. It's a mixture of pineapple and mango. Oh, it makes it so damn good. So it's about, I don't know, maybe a cup and a half of both together. I kind of really just eyeball everything. I never really measure. So less than a quarter of a lemon. Got some fresh ginger. I've peeled off the skin. Nobody wants no chunks of skin. And I have about also a handful of walnuts, and this is so good because it's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps you in weight loss. So definitely add this to your smoothie. And I just wanted to explain, yes, I'm adding the full lemon with the skin because it makes it so freaking delicious. You have no idea. And some coconut water. Right, so literally just gonna add everything in. Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh, look at that vibrant green. Yum, yum, yum. So it's been a little over 2 hours since I had my smoothie. Now I'm having less than a handful of walnuts and 2 dates. And that's what I'm gonna eat, and then I'm heading out. I've got to go to renew my passport, so I have to take the picture. That's why today was the perfect filming day, because it's like film, put your makeup, film, and take your passport picture. Done. So I'm gonna go do that, then I'll be back and I'll start prepping lunch and supper. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So I'm back home now. It's time to make my lunch. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of hangry. You know, hungry and angry, put it together, you're hangry, and you're only angry because you're hungry. It's a vicious cycle, I know. So I'm making myself a quinoa salad for lunch, and I've gone ahead and pre-chopped everything already. So I will show you. So I pre-cooked the quinoa. And I also pre-cooked my chickpeas because I don't like to buy the canned ones. I like to actually cook it myself. So it's great about having everything already like pre-chopped and like cooked, is literally all you gotta do is dump it in. So I'm not gonna use all of this. This is like how much I would use for probably the whole week. So I'm gonna use about half and keep half for another recipe. And everything else I'm gonna dump in. So this was one garlic clove. I did about a handful of parsley and cilantro. 1 full avocado. I love avocados, so we won't use the whole damn thing. Yeah, and this was can you believe it? This was 1 freaking carrot. It was a jumbo ass carrot. Next time I'll probably consider doing the organic because I don't think that's natural, but I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat it. Tomatoes, this was like 2 small-ish tomatoes. Ooh, it's looking good already. guys, I almost forgot one last ingredient. I just added some hemp hearts for extra protein, just in case some of you guys are like, well, that's not enough protein for me. Or if you guys want to know, where do you get your protein, Jen, when you're a vegan? You can get your protein from hemp, also from the quinoa, also from the chickpeas, also from the spinach. So yeah, it's full of protein, full of goodness, yeah. So I finished having my lunch not long ago. I'm gonna start making my supper right away because I'm going to teach at 6. So I might eat before, and I'm kind of full. So when I'm done teaching, I'll eat right away. So I'm going to make a quinoa pasta with some avocado, and then you'll see. So just watch. Okay, I'm annoying. Okay, let's get to it. I'm gonna start off by cooking this quinoa pasta on the stove. So I'm not going to show you all the steps. Literally, I'm going to put this in a pot of water, let it cook. It takes about 15 minutes. It'll be easier to show you exactly what I'm doing, well, exactly what I'm using beforehand. So I already put half of the avocado in the blender. I'm putting the other half. I'm going to put some cilantro. I'm going to blend also with some spinach, a garlic clove, pink Himalayan salt, and some ground pepper. So I'm just gonna add it all to the blender. Add some organic hemp protein. So here it is. I used about half of the sauce in this. And honestly, I just tasted it. It's so good. It tastes like kind of like a pesto or something. But yeah, super good, super simple. And it literally took me, I don't know, maybe like 20 minutes to make this. That's why I love it so much. Tastes so good, so nutritious. You have all your protein inside. You have your protein from your quinoa pasta, also from the hemp protein, and it's really good as well. So I'm gonna enjoy this after my class. And yeah, that is all I will eat today, I hope. I might eat more because, you know, sometimes I get a sweet tooth. But if I do, I'll make sure that I show you. But if not, I am ending the video here. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. Let me know if you like this style of me doing it, because usually I always have my tripod and I'm not doing it vlog style. So yeah, let me know if you like this style. If you want more meal ideas, make sure that you check out platejoy.com and you can enjoy, I think it's 10 days free, and then you can also enjoy $10 off through my promo code. It is Genergy10. Okay, so I'll leave that all in the description down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.